As you notice, we're passionate about the agri-food sector here. The Canton is investing on a yearly basis 1 million in the Fribourg Agri&Food strategy. That is one part. Then we have what I call, in terms of economic development, the crown jewel in terms of infrastructure. So we are developing a science park dedicated to agri-food in Saint-Aubin that will be able to host over 1,600 jobs. And this is both for research and also for production. So it's a mix of industrial production and research and development. Part of the science park and industrial park is equipped with labs that are shared. Number of large players are looking into moving into that park. One of them is Migros. The whole quality management for Western Switzerland will be made through labs from SQTS, which belongs to Migros. Other projects are coming up. And for me, one of the key unique selling proposition of that industrial park is the fact that we have a farm that is attached to it with over 100 hectares. So you are able to test also different products, or if you're working with fertilizers, if you're working with pest control, or with grain transformation. This is something which is accessible, which is available, and I find that very, very inspiring. This mix of both possibility to do the startup, to build your scale up, or to have your larger projects for an SME or a large group under one roof in one area, and there's still quite a lot of land available for construction, which is rather very good in Switzerland. Two other things that are worthwhile mentioning is access to infrastructure. I talked about the ChemTech lab and access to bioreactors. That's one thing. And the other element is also in the framework of the development of a competence center for raw milk. Again, one of the 3 C's, but there we're on the cheese part. There is a technological hall in Grangeneuve that has been set up for training purposes, but it's also available for companies that want to develop a new product, either through their extruders, dryers, or centrifugal processing devices. And lastly, if we talk again about research and development, Nestlé has all of its worldwide coffee research that is based in Romont. So it's a lot about taste and tasting the different applications that they're using in their Nespresso capsules. So this is just to give a little bit of an idea of what is cooking. From a governmental perspective, we've also decided very early on to associate ourselves with the initiative Swiss Food and Nutrition Valley. So we are represented in the executive committee of the Valley. And for us, I would say there are different layers of governance and of positioning. One of them is really local and regional, and another one is on a national and international level. And with our work with the Swiss Food and Nutrition Valley, we're able to uncover a well-kept secret, which is that Switzerland is indeed a food nation.